When in Taormina, do not miss the Botanic Garden in Central Parks, also called Villa Comunale. It's a nice, calm haven from busy main streets. The garden was originally the home, not so sure about that, but the home or the place of Lady Florence Trevelyan. She was an English noblewoman and cousin of Queen Victoria. She lived in Taormina since 1884 and married the mayor, Salvatore Cacciola. The park was created according to Lady Florence's wishes as a typical English garden in which many rare plant varieties and particular structures called Victorian follies. The rumors says she was not happy living in Taormina, so she got her own garden where she could also host lavish parties and things went better. She died in 1907. The garden became the property of Taormina town in 1922. Free entrance when this video was made and offers stunning views towards the town, Etna, the sea and southern coastline including Giardini Naxos. So enjoy when in Taormina.